What's up, guys? In today's video, crystal growing. You're able to conduct 7 of these. I'm only doing 1, which, if you didn't know and you were hoping to see all of them, sorry. But you're only getting 1, so you can watch this video 7 times. Inside of it, inside of it is some sugar and some cases to grow them in. And whatever the heck these are, I wonder what to do, but they don't have instructions. No, they do. Crystal growing. Safety message, safety message. Who needs safety? Adult supervision is required. I need boiling water. Okay. The water. Nah. Alright, it's boiling. I need my thing. So I'm making a large crystal, I think, so I put all of that in there. Dude, that boiling water almost flashed me in the face.
But it didn't.
Now we're supposed to mix it in. I don't know how to do it. So it's been a few hours. You might be able to see the crystal growing in it a little bit. I actually forgot to film, but I had to put in these little blue crystal flakes to like help it start growing, and that's why it's blue. So it should be a blue crystal that grows, but I don't know. So yeah, we're just gonna let this grow. So check back in a week. Okay, so when I said I would see you in a week, I didn't mean a week and a half. I meant a week, but it's been a week and a half. All right, so I got the instructions, and let's see. I got it, and pouring it is gonna terrify me because I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it at all. Do you want to build a snowman? Whoa! Look at that, people. I poured the water out in my rinse it. I have to grab this and take it out. Oh my gosh. I do not trust myself at all. How? I did it. So while our crystal is drying, I'm going to tell you about how I'm a crystal in a musical. I'm doing Aladdin the musical, and in it, I'm a crystal. So here's a picture of that. It looks now that it's done. It's pretty cool. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. I'm making a video. Get out of my face. Leave. Wait, I'm gonna put it on my hair. Guys, look how ugly that looks. Yeah, real ugly.